The New Forest and Hampshire County Show is held every summer. It covers 230 acres of parkland in the heart of the New Forest National Park and attracts in excess of 95,000 people over its 3 days. It began in 1921 and continues today with the aim of promoting and encouraging the development of agriculture, forestry, equestrianism and horticulture, and to encourage the improvement in the breeding of stock. There are also rabbits, poultry, birds and bees. The show also attracts around 600 trade stands. Here is a basket full of newly hatched chicks. There are many attractions like this replica Supermarine Spitfire and these vintage British motorbikes with names such as BSA, AJS, Douglas, Ariel and Triumph. There are demonstrations of many traditional crafts, such as this blacksmith. There are exhibitions of vintage farm machinery, like these old steam engines and this baling machine. There are stands displaying modern farm machinery too. Even the BBC thought it worth a visit. It's not the way that I want to raise the goal, but I'll take a side of gratitude. There are birds of prey and even live falconry demonstrations. Not forgetting the mighty axemen and sheep shearing in action. There are show gardens, flowers and vegetables here in this marquee. Flower arrangements are judged and prizes awarded. Besides displays of prize-winning garden layouts, there are specimen samples of the most perfect roses, dahlias, fuchsias, bougainvillea and chrysanthemums. Here are some bonsai trees. Great pride is taken in displaying competition vegetables or fruit like these delicious looking strawberries, raspberries and gooseberries. Here are some magnificent leeks. There are two main arenas or rings where much of the action takes place, like these vintage tractors being driven by their proud owners. Here are the horses and hounds of the Wilton Hunt, which has its roots back in the late 1800s. This sheepdog is demonstrating its skills at the challenging task of rounding up a gaggle of geese. Success comes as they finally end up in this pen. However, the sheep gave this dog a surprisingly hard time. Show jumping is always a popular attraction. Riding against the clock, penalty points are given for exceeding the time allowed, or for knocking down an obstacle. This obstacle course wonderfully demonstrates the speed and intelligence of this lovely pair of dogs.
Just steady them up, wait, make... Down they go, over the jumps, through that tyre, up the crossover, onto the...
The Heavy Horse musical drive is a majestic sight, as these spectacular horses pull their brightly coloured wagons around the arena. Choreographed to music, it is a thrilling sight. The Shetland Pony Grand National was brought back in 2012 by popular demand. Surprisingly fast, and not without its dangers, it's really amazing what these small ponies can achieve. There is glamour here too. These stunt riders seem as one with their horses. Thrills galore, as heart in mouth we watch these daredevil bike riders. They seem to achieve the impossible and land with quite a thump. And on that high, I hope you've enjoyed the sights and sounds of the New Forest Show.